Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Unboxer English. So in this video I'm going to show you the best website to make your logo for YouTube channel or anywhere else you want to make, or you want to make a business cards. So over here there are many options. So there are add text option, add symbol option, add shape option, business card, upload image option. From add text you can add text, from add symbol you can add symbol, from add symbol I can show you some of the symbols present over here, and here you get many categories, you can see them. And my channel is based on tech category, so I will go with the technology category. So over here they are still loading. So here there are some stickers related to technology. So here we scroll down, so you can see that there are some much more stickers about that, and there I go with the machine one. Okay, so I'll pick this one over here, and these are the old stickers, so I would delete them all and add that symbol for myself to make it. And okay, sorry. Okay, yes, so here we have a symbol which I want to make, and there and we add some text to it. So I click on the add text option, and here you can see I can add any text I want to add from over here. So let's enter there enter the review. Okay, so here we are, and other I want to add a more text option for this. So I will place it just over here and remove this text and write free logo. Okay, this is fine for this one, and I'll just align them in the same line so that it looks good. So here are many other options also, but I would like to change the color of that. Okay, red and black and red looks beautiful with each other, so it's a good combination. And here you can see some other options available. We can also add some shapes over here, so I would go with this one and place it just after the text. Here is the option of business cards also. If you want to make a business card, you can make it from here. Let me show you an example. So here you can see how it looks over here. From this one we can add a lower one also, but I do not want to make a business card. I want to make a logo, so I will go with the logo, align them in as they were, and just go with it. From here you can upload any image also. If you have an image, you can select it from over here and upload it, but I don't want to upload, so I'll cut it. And if you want to save or download it, so you can enter your email ID and you will get the link in your email, or you can just go to your search and your search for snipping tool, and from there you can take a snip from over here and you can save it where you want to save. So I Control S and capture, so I would like to save it, and here we go. So our logo is ready. You can see that's over here. We can edit it using any paint or editing tool, or I hope it's enough. Let me show you my logo which I made for my YouTube channel. So you can see this was the logo which I made for my own YouTube channel, Tech Unboxer English, and here you can see that the 1:1 ratio of this, and this is for my another channel, Tech Unboxer Hindi. So friends, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and support us so that we could bring best videos for you all. So thanks for watching and goodbye friends.